Hi there, Linda Artesani, Artesani Bookkeeping. So this is a short video. I am currently at QuickBooks Connect, probably having a blast. If you've never been to the conference, please join our Facebook group, QB Community Live, and follow our antics as we go around and have some fun this week. It's going to be a blast. So it starts on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th of November, and it's going to be a lot of fun. If you followed us last year, that was fun, and I'm thinking this year's going to be even more fun. So back to the task at hand, which is the blog post. So this week, I just wanted to touch upon, I work a lot with different companies, law firms. Sometimes I can come across a law firm where and I've had this happen many times, where the law firm is smaller. I work with startups, so smaller firms, and the law firm's smaller. Maybe somebody just was working at a large firm and decided to go off on their own, and they're a little bit lost when it comes to accounting. They know they would like to be in QuickBooks Online for a program, but they don't know what to choose for maybe their software for their timing and their billing, or they don't know about some of the automated pieces that can come into the accounting. And let's face it, they don't really teach the accounting part in law school. So you might be sitting back going, oh my gosh, I got trusts and I know there's a lot of rules around that. What do I do? So that's why you can hire me, and I can help guide you through it. So we have training programs here at Artesani Bookkeeping where I will work with you one-on-one. If you've already started out thinking you could figure it out on your own and then realize that you probably are already in a mess and it's getting near the end of the year and you're sitting back going, oh, I really think I should hire a professional, you can hire me. It's $325 for 2-hour session. Normally, typically done in a 1-hour session each. We do 2 of those, and sometimes we can do it in pieces. So even if we get into a half an hour and then I find something's happening there that needs to be fixed, we can stop the training and I can let you go back, and I affectionately call it doing your homework. And then we come back and regroup and go on to the next piece. And then you are actually fixing your own records, but learning at the same time. Another thing you might want to think about is I do offer a service where you can sign up with me for the year, and I will walk you through any scenario or any situation that comes up accounting-wise. If you're doing your own books, but you want that support and you don't want to call QuickBooks for it, you'd rather call and just speak to the same person, that would be me. You can work with me with a lower price one for emails, or you can work at a little higher level if you want actual Zoom meetings where I will log in one-on-one and show you how to do things. And then there's a middle level where I'd actually just show you a video and I'd log into your file and show you how to do something on your file, and then you'd have that ability too. So there's 3 services, 3 levels there. I will put that in the link too so you can see the pricing. I'm sure if you go to my pricing page, you can see the pricing that's there for if you need a bookkeeping service. You can get a couple of quotes. If you want to just say, I don't want to do this anymore, I'm tired of doing the books at night, and I want to have somebody do it for me, it's actually pretty affordable when you're first starting out. I can do simple write-up work for you, or we can get into a little bit more higher level. So there's options for everyone, especially the new entrepreneur. I really love working with people who are just starting out and want to live their passion, and I'd love to help you with your accounting work and help you work through your business and help you do what you're passionate about, because that's really what you're in business for, not to do the accounting. So I hope that's helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.